Hello and welcome back to Harvested Info. In this video, I will show you how to set up your GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! So first, let's simply enable our device here by just pressing and holding the power button right here. So you want to press and hold until you will hear a sound. And now our GoPro is activating. I will zoom in just a little bit. And now we can choose our language. So I will go with English. Now we have to agree to legal stuff, which is pretty funny, because they basically say you, hey, you have to agree to it. Which is, I just found it pretty funny. Now let's here agree. And this is very cool. We can enable the GPS to capture the location when your videos and photos are taken. We can disable this or we can enable this. It's completely up to you. And I do think that you can change it later in the settings, so don't you worry about that. I will go with enable. And now we have the ability to install our GoPro application on our phone to finish the setup. And now we want to leave your camera on and follow the instructions. So I now need to take a nice little phone and install the GoPro application. Alright, I have gotten my Pixel here, and now let's head into our Play Store and let's simply type in Quik. And as you can see, we do have an official GoPro Quik video editor, so let's simply hit install. And after a moment we should see our application. As you can see, I have the application installed. Now let's simply hit open and let's see what the app will tell us. Well, first we have the ability to create an account, and with account we have some abilities like how to highlight videos, manual edits, organize our photos, videos of albums, or control your GoPro auto upload. I will quickly check if we can. Nice, we can sign in with Google. So I will sign in with Google. We can go with next. Now if we haven't really used our account in a while, it's very likely that we'll have to input our password to our account, exactly. So let me quickly do that. Alright, and if the password is correct, we should be able to log in. Now, technically you don't really have to do this, I'm only doing it for the additional features that I will cover later in other tutorials. Now, we do own our GoPro and we'd like to set it up. So first we need to get permission to access nearby devices. So let's go with connect. Let's allow. And congratulations, they did found our GoPro. Let's go with connect. Now we have the ability to pair it. I will go with enable. Let's go with pair. And as you can see, our GoPro is now paired. Now I will wait for a moment until the little connecting here disappears exactly. Now we can enable, now we can change the name, though I will leave with GoPro MAX, though I can add a little 360 to it. I will go with save new name. And as you can see, we are now here. We do not want to subscribe to anything. And our Max is ready. So as you can see, this is our normal footage. Technically we now have the ability to just do whatever we want now, though I will leave it since this is for other tutorials in the future. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.